So we just got into Hoi An, about an hour drive from Da Nang, and we're checking into our mulberry
Silk
Eco. It's really nice.
Wow.
Real sleek. It comes with a balcony. Okay, the balcony's not whatever. And wow, this is the nicest bathroom that we've had in Vietnam so far.
Right? I think this is the biggest bed so far too.
Oh yeah.
This looks like a king.
Yep.
The other ones were like
Two twins pushed together.
Yeah. Wow. This nice bathroom mirror. All the amenities. They did really good with the amenities. They give you razors and everything. Shower cap and a brush to comb my hair.
Okay.
We just got to Hoi An and checked in. Now we're heading to a new kitchen. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah, new kitchen. Hoi An is known for a dish called khao lao and chicken rice and bun sales. So we are looking forward to trying those. But it's so beautiful here. Look, look, look.
Known for like their lanterns.
Oh yeah, they do have lanterns that line the street. It's pretty cool. It's been pretty rainy on and off. But it's not too bad. At least better than being in the heat, right? Yeah. All right. Cool. Lantern making class. That's kind of cool. Alcohol. You can rent out eyes here for pictures because this place is beautiful. See what they has. Oh, look at these bags. Yeah, here. Eat. Ow, something's on my head. Oh, so cute. Oh, this looks Parisian. Ooh, some fresh fruits too. Let's take a look at what they have. Durian. 100 Bujuani. My favorite mangosteens. Oh, this looks so good too. 30K. Beautiful. Ooh. Not yet. Not yet. Some wind chimes. Jewelry.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. A lot more jewelry. I'm not sure everything looks the same or not. This is such a cute town already. Any luck? Is this you? Oh no, it's probably locals, huh? Cool.
I was wondering where the guy who's fishing is.
Yeah. I don't think I'd eat anything in here though.
I don't know. You're catching it off the street.
Oh wow.
With a net.
Oh wow, okay. That's pretty cool. This is so cute. Ooh. People are dressed up over here.
Where?
I don't know. They look pretty dressed up to me compared to the locals. Might just be foreigners. Okay. Oh my gosh.
So that's the Japanese bridge.
Oh cool. There's a Japanese bridge too? It's around and you make a U-turn or something.
We have to cross this bridge.
What? Do you have to pay? I think you just go.
What is that?
Goodness. Yeah. Oh, I think it's if you want to go inside the museum.
Read across.
Yeah.
There's a Vietnamese bridge roll over here.
I knew you were gonna say that. Oh
Oh
wait, that was outside. Oh, whatever.
Holy crap.
Nice. This is the altar shrine for the monkeys. Souvenirs. Notebooks. Hey, this is cute. Yeah, you do notice a lot of foreigners here. Kind of nice. Pretty eclectic mix.
Poison Cafe.
Ooh, an art exhibit. Gallery.
Location, client wants me to share location.
Got backpacks. Oh, I see it. Actually, through this alleyway. Craft beer. Seashell. You see it? The green sign? Yeah. Right here. What?
Hit the sign.
Sit at a place underneath this fan.
Pretty cute little place.
So, not exactly cheap. It's 100. It's 100 for a dish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a pretty steep change from the 30,000 that we were used to back in even Da Nang, you know.
Maybe it's super good.
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe the portions are bigger. Ooh.
Fresh passion fruit.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Passion fruit.
It's pretty hard to choose a passion fruit because you have to use a sieve and then push all the seeds so that the pulp comes out. But yeah, it's pretty sour right now because
Maybe some more sugar.
I asked for not too much sugar. No, it's okay. I like it.
Yeah. This beautiful bun.
Arp, arp, arp. Oh, I thought it was
And then pork, there's spicy mayo and pickles.
Wait, I don't see any pickles. Oh, but it said it.
big ass
Oh, the
there.
pickle. Oh my god, I really like that pickle.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
This is their version of khao lao. I don't think this is authentically. It is a little mix.
Fusion.
Yeah,
Dude,
because
this
they
looks-
fried the khao lao.
Oh my god, this looks so good. Look at this crispiness.
But it's pretty good. What's yours?
Lemongrass pork, and it has some green mangoes. Looks like bok choy. And a little bit of a coleslaw. That was interesting. Oh, also the green beans. Nice. How was yours?
I don't know if I taste it right now.
I'm putting big away.
It's good. Kind of like a pork gravy, kind of.
Pork gravy?
Yeah, kind of like a bolognese a little bit. It has like crispy halal noodles.
Am I hungover? Does it need more? Okay. I think this was the. Oh, there's okra here too. Look at my dumb shoe. Urgh. Oh, sad. We just washed them too, and it was so nice and clean. I just can't wear. I'm just not a person who can wear white, I think. All right, we're looking for a banh mi paste now because I married This little piggy is still hungry.
Yeah, I don't know. That restaurant is supposed to be like a fusion restaurant. I don't think it was that good. The reason I said it was good earlier was because a lady kept staring at me. So I didn't want
She
to
was
be
literally
like,
staring at
I
you?
don't want to be like, oh, it sucks.
Oh, just staring at your muscles. Yeah. So what kind of banh mi's are they?
This is we're gonna go to the Banh Mi place that Anthony Bourdain likes a lot, or liked a lot,
R.I.P.
and it's supposed to be pretty popular, really good.
Okay.
So I thought it was a tree earlier that I walked by, and like brushed against my head, and it kind of like it was. It was
Oh my gosh.
It was a live electric wire, dude.
That was just hanging?
Yeah, almost electrocuted my face off.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was like, oh shit, live electric wire.
Oh my goodness. I'm glad you're okay. So you got zapped.
I got zapped a little bit.
Oh my
I
god.
thought it was like a mosquito or something. But looked at it, it was a live wire, dude.
That's what I thought you were pointing at earlier. I thought that it was the mosquito because I
was
saw a
like,
bunch.
oh, shit.
Oh, damn. No, thank you. Later, maybe. I think they're actually known for custom suits, bespoke suits, and dresses. If you see something that you like online, they could probably recreate it for you in a couple of hours, actually. But yeah, pretty cool. Here's a tailor shop as we speak. Smells like a... Look, the school is... Students are getting off school. Hey, any plant fanatics here? These are cool. Man, what was a huge monstera? I wonder what type it is. Wow. Beautiful Christmas. Alrighty.
Made it.
Let's take a look. Where is it? Oh, here we are. I don't want to pronounce it incorrectly, so I'm not going to try, but it's Banh Mi.
It's okay. I think they
Do you know how to pronounce it? Phong? Phung? Phung?
I think it's cool, but
Phung? Oh, no? Okay.
I'm not Vietnamese, so I don't know.
Got it.
That's a good try.
A for effort, yeah. Wow, look at this lump of meat, it looks like. It has lemongrass, chilies, got the chicken.
Okay.
Thank you, yeah.
You want like a big one? Are you gonna get one?
Oh. Avocados. Oh, the pricing is like 30. Oh, these are combos? Oh, maybe the ones on the bottom one. I see. What happened? Did we order inside? Here's some drinks.
Okay.
What happened? Okay. What are these? Passport pictures?
Looks like it.
Oops. Oh wow, here's a picture of him. Anthony Bourdain. That's cool. Very cool.
So this is the Banh Mi with everything. It's special. There's like roast pork, ja. There's head cheese, other cuts of pork, and pate. Is there pate? There doesn't seem that much pate in there.
As a pate lover, he asked for extra. Don't know if you got it though.
Try it.
You don't look that impressed right now.
The first bite's all bread all over.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, let's wait for the next one. But while we wait for him to eat that bite, whoa, this looks like. You wanna have some?
See.
Yeah? Better? Sure, I'll take a bite. Oh, one. So I got their homemade aloe vera drink. It's only 15, so let's give it a try. I've been wanting chia seeds too, so. And a caca light. Oh yeah, it looks like it's been dropped on its head a few times. So, right away, I think I like the baguettes in Saigon. Oh, he's still here. It's crispier.
Yeah.
And more fluffy. Nice view too.